Kate here with WTI, and this is seriously the ultimate bakeware set from KitchenAtics. I have the champagne set, which is first of all beautiful, such a nice color, but this has every single thing you can possibly need in your kitchen for baking. Now, my favorite part about this whole thing is that it is non-stick. It washes like a dream. Nothing sticks to these pans, so it makes it a breeze to clean. You can see the bottom has this great texture, which helps things to not stay stuck. It also cooks really evenly. I have made so many things in these pans. I use one of them at least every single day, and I have not been disappointed once. So it comes with a loaf pan. It also has the muffin tin, a pizza pan with the holes underneath, which I love. If you've ever made homemade pizza with those holes underneath, it makes for such a gorgeous crispy crust. It also has this roasting pan, which has a lid. So awesome. So if you're making a lasagna or a cake, or you just want to use it to store your muffins in, whatever you're using this for, it keeps it nice and fresh. It has a great seal. It also has a square cake pan, 2 round cake pans, and a cookie sheet, and of course, trivets. So everything you need, ditch the old stuff, have a nice matching set that works extremely well, nice high quality. I know you're not going to be disappointed. It's the best thing I've added to my kitchen recently, and that's my point of view.